Hi, did you ever have that issue with the login screen on the Xbox login? So, um, I have that recently, and I will show you the way how you may fix that. So to do, you need to go to the Xbox support. When you will type in Google, you're supposed to get the link, and you need to follow kind of guide here, but tell you that. For me, the first way didn't work. I'm curious that you were gonna be able to use that way. So let's go. So startup issue. The console stack in the startup screen or black screen during a startup. That's our issue. So some people have a black screen. I have, with that Xbox animation. So that's mine. You see the screen here. And there is some kind of way that it's apparently reset kind of. I don't, it's hard to say, but they think something went wrong during your update, or some files that's corrupted. I don't know exactly, but there is a way that you need to hold the button for 10 seconds, then console will basically return power up and then power down. Then you have to take off your power core, power lead, and wait 30 seconds, and then remove basically everything what you have connected, and connect back. And if after 10 minutes the screen will not disappear or will not go further, there is another way which I want to show you. So it's called offline system update. So offline system update, how it's working, it's kind of simple and a little bit tricky. So you need to get a USB drive at least 8 gigabytes. I don't know why they say 6 gigabytes here. Probably the information is obsolete. Probably the file change after a while, but apparently the file is 6.8 gigabytes. So what you need to do, you need to prepare your memory stick, USB flash, by formatting into NTFS system. And after that, you're supposed to download the file here, which I had downloaded already. You're supposed to unzip the file, and then you're gonna get that folder, $sign system update call, right? You're gonna copy that to your formatted USB, which in my case I copy already. So how to format and prepare the USB stick, it's kind of very simple. You need to go to format. You need to choose default, usually is FAT32. We will go to, and you need to choose NTFS. You see the size of my memory stick is 8 gigabytes, and whatever name you want to put there, whatever, and you doing quick format or whatever. If you will unclick that, it will be a little bit longer. Apparently, which way you choose is up to you. Then you copy that file by paste here, and when the file is already on your USB stick, then you need to follow guide here, which basically is slightly different for console, which I have. My console is Series S, but for any other console you have to press per button, then eject button, and then you need to press power button, and then the console will go to specific mode, which will allow you to perform update and upgrade of your console from the memory stick. And it's supposed to look kind of like that. So you go into, when you will put your USB flash drive into the USB socket in the console. You go into offline system update, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. What do. So something may go wrong as well, as you may see, but let's do not go that way, because then you have to restore your console to factory default. But let's say we will try first to use USB stick, and hopefully that will work. So let's try it now. Thanks.